Here is where you select which disk is the one that you're going to use. Then you decide what is the one that you're going to run. On here, you select your language, then you select that you want to use the entire disk, then just click on next. You're not going to encrypt the data unless you really want to, and then you would have the option to review what you have. It's going to show you that it's installing everything, then it's going to say that it has been installed. Once you do that, then you get the welcome message, and then you set up what you want in there. Make sure that the keyboard is what you want. Select the location services and your country. Then you have the option to install third parties, enable them, and then you will have option to select your password, and then you will have the welcome screen. You can take a tour if you want to, and then you would see what it shows you in there and a few other details as well. And then after you finish passing all of those screens, then you would see in the background you can close the tour window, and that's it. You pretty much are welcome to use Fedora number 42, which is powered by Red Hat. This is a Linux distribution. It is free of use, free course. You can download it and you can start using it in any of your devices. This is another episode of the show with Sander. Thank you for staying with me. The last episode we did Ubuntu, and on this one we decided to install a different distribution. So once you get to this screen, that is all that you have to do, and it is the end.